Alright, Unit 1, Formative 1, Day 5, Evaluating. Evaluating expressions just means to find the value of. Now, there's no equal sign in the expression. Okay, and one thing we need to make sure is that we bring down parentheses when we do our substitution. Okay, so for example, here we have 2x plus 3. They're saying x equals 3. So we're going to substitute in, instead of that x, they're going to put a 3, which is what they did here. And they brought down parentheses. Okay, be careful if we don't do that. What happens here, over here where it says bad, we have 2x plus 3 where x is 3. And if we just put a 3 in there, we don't put parentheses, now it looks like 23 instead of 2 times 3. So always bring your parentheses down. Alright, evaluate the expression when a equals 3 and b equals negative 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is my substitution. So instead of the a here, I am going to go ahead and put a 3. Okay, and I bring down parentheses. Now instead of b, I'm going to put a negative 2. Okay. Now I have 3 plus negative 2, which gives me a 1. Alright, next one, evaluate. Same thing, a equals 3 and b equals negative 2. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. Now instead of b, I'm going to put a negative 2. Notice I put my parentheses, and then I bring down my minus 2. So order of operations, we're going to do multiplication first. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Bring down my minus 2. So negative 6 minus 2, they're both negative. So it's a negative 8. Same substitutions here. A equals 3 and b equals negative 2. So I'm going to do my substitution first. So I'm going to have a 2. Now instead of the b, I'm going to put a negative 2. Okay, and then a is 3 minus, and instead of the b, I'm going to put a negative 2. Now you notice that that's that minus. Now b is here. Okay, just because there's a minus there doesn't mean you're going to drop this negative. Right, so be careful about that. Bring down your minus, and then in place of the b, I have a negative 2 here. Right, now I'm going to follow my order of operations. Parentheses first. Okay, so here's a set of parentheses here. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Okay, keep my parentheses. I'm going to put a 3 up there. And then this, I also have parentheses. Now remember, when we have two negatives together, it's plus. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. Alright, now these parentheses are just holding numbers. So my next one's exponents. So I have negative 4 to the third power. Be careful you put this in the calculator. So this is negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. Okay, so that's 16, right? Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16 times a negative 4. Okay, which is negative 64. Okay, so this is going to be negative 64 minus 5, which gives me negative 69. Okay. All right, so we have 2a to the second b, so I have a 2. Instead of a, I'm going to put a 3, my exponent, plus b, which is negative 2. All right, order of operations, parentheses. Now, here are my parentheses, but there's nothing inside them. So I'm going to go to my exponents, which is right here. So 3 to the second, remember that's 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, now multiplication, 2 times 9 is 18, plus negative 2 is 16. That's it. You guys have a great day.